peeps, Tamara B here from Little Bit of Coin, and I'm just going to do a quick kind of beginner's tutorial on how to use Binance to buy Ripple, because that is my little tip to you guys. Get in on XRP Ripple ASAP. I'm going to do another video about why, but I've just done that today. Well, I've been doing it for last week after I've been researching it quite extensively lately, and it's, yeah, like, wow. It's going places. I mean, even the the crypto bloodbath we're in right now. Let's see, Ripple XRP's kind of held their own pretty much. Um, Considering like Bitcoin has dropped about $1,000 in a week, right? And Ripple has dropped 4 or 5 cents. I mean, it's been the most um, stable coin really throughout this whole thing. Um, and their market cap is crazy. I mean, like I said, the next video I'm going to go into that quite a bit more. But they're beating Ethereum by 4 billion, and that's just in the last week. They were pretty kind of neck and neck. Ethereum was number 2 up to for a long time, right? And then Ripple's just overtaken them this last week. And 4 billion in a week is crazy. And we'll be catching up to Bitcoin quite soon, I reckon. Okay, so let's just get back to how to use Binance. So first of all, you want to make sure, open up your account, but you want to make sure you're on the right Binance URL. So I'll put that link below, okay? So you're safe. And then, of course, you need to fund. So say, and you can use any coin you have. Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. In my opinion, that fork just screwed it, basically. I mean, look, like, that's just in 24 hours. Bitcoin Cash, 30%. It was at about $440 before the hard fork on the 15th of November. So it's incredible. I've kind of just sold all mine to buy Ripple. Okay, yeah, so like I said, you can fund it with anything. I'm even debating whether just to sell these other coins. I probably will keep Lumens. But I mean, it's just not a lot, right? So we'll see. Play by ear. But anyway, so say that you wanted to send some Bitcoin over, right? So you just go to up here to your funds, your balances, which is where we are now. And then you would just kind of hit deposit. Just copy this address into your own wallet, whether it be Coinbase or Exodus or Ledger or wherever, the amount of Bitcoin you want to do, and then send. And then just wait till the confirmations, and then Binance will email you when your deposit has gone through. Okay, so now we've got some money in there. When we go to the exchanges, just go to basic. Okay, so this is the live crypto exchanges. And we're going to put up here XRP. All right, and then you click on it. And also see, it'll show you the price in dollars right now. And that's what I'm saying. You can only buy Ripple XRP through Bitcoin right now. So once, and some exchanges have already done the XRP to US dollar, which would be good, because right now when Bitcoin goes down, it kind of drags everything else down. When it goes up, it goes up. But Ripple's different. Like Ripple and Bitcoin is like apples and oranges. They're very, very different. Ripple is centralized. It's not mined. Which were reasons why I stayed out of Ripple, to be honest, until recently, is because that was just like, well, that's just not what crypto was kind of created for. But guess who does love the centralized coins much more is the banks and the big financial institutions and hedge funds and where all the big money is. They love that. Because one thing is, it does keep the price, it's not as volatile as, say, Bitcoin. But like I said, there's really no comparison those two. And I'm just kind of following where the money is. And like I said, the amount of stuff I've read about it and research, I'm just like, wow, okay. It's not if the price of Ripple will go up dramatically, it's when. And when could be happening literally within days, weeks, definitely within the month. For sure it'll go up. Like I said, next video I'll go into that more. Okay, so we clicked on that, so we've got here. So you'll see green means buy, sell is the pink. So this is the trade history of people buying and selling for the different prices. And then here over on this side is kind of, again, these are the sell, because you can put stops on these, right? And these are the buys. So what I usually do, it depends how fast you kind of want it. Like if I want to just sell at 9690, because you want to buy at the low, sell at the high, okay? And if you're not in any rush, then you can choose like a really low amount kind of thing, or much even lower than that. I mean, right now it's what, 45 cents. If you wanted to, you can choose a price that's like at 15 cents. But of course, if it doesn't go down that low, you're not going to buy it, and it could shoot up. So you kind of want to pick up, like I say, if you're like, okay, that sounds good to me, then you decide if you want to use 25%, 50, or 75, or 100% of what's in your Bitcoin wallet right now. So if you wanted 100, see what that price, I would get 403 Ripple. All right, so I'm thinking, I think I can 9678. So yeah, I can get it for a cheaper price than that. So I'm gonna just go click on that price. All right, so 9650 would get me, so it's not a huge difference. 404 Ripple. 9650. And basically you just then click on here. And I just wanna, so basically, okay, let's just do that right now, buy. All right, and then you'll see down here, and then when it gets to that price, or someone has a sell order for that price, then you'll just see this go fill up until it's gone, and just say no open orders, and then it'll be back in your balance. And that's it. All right, and then if you want to withdraw Ripple, because Ripple is one of these ones that has what's called a tag. So say that I want to withdraw, and I do have Nano Ledger, but actually I use Exodus quite a bit. So with Exodus Wallet, okay, so this is my Exodus Wallet, right? You need to have 20 XRP to activate your account. So let's give this a go, all right? So we're gonna copy that, because right now there's nothing in my Ripple wallet because it's all over at Binance. I don't have my tag, but as soon as I get some money in there, then you'll get a tag. So for right now, we're just going to put this in. Okay. Sure that's right. RGA, TQ7. Yeah. All right. Now I don't have a tag, so just going to click that right now. And you have to send over, minimum is 22. So I'm just going to send over, well, no, I don't want to do that. Because I'm going to test it first. I always say for a test. Okay. And, oh, okay, so now you get your authentication code. And they'll also email you. So let's see, Binance is very secure. That's why I use it mostly. All right, then you have to look up with this number changes every 3 seconds as well. So. Okay, and then you're going to get that email. Okay, and we just confirm that. There we go. All right, and that's it. So there's your little tutorial on how to buy Ripple on Binance, or use basically anything to any coin on Binance. Same kind of deal. Okay, yes, and also if you did want to get involved with a Ripple bot that I'm using, it's 2.8% a day for 60 days. So it works out to be about 84% over 60 days profit. So because it's 1.13% profit, and the remainder is a return of your capital. So yeah, I'll put that link below too, or you can find the information about that on littlebitcoin.com under Superbot. All right, guys, exciting times. And then seriously, I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you what I am doing. But like I said, I've moved a lot of my funds into Ripple. And stay tuned for the next video on why. All right, peace out, peeps. Take care. Cheers.